Yeah, man.
They get moving a lot. I gotta put that window up.
You broke it. Oh, man. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. What's up, Micah?
What's going on? You all right?
Can I come in? Are you?
Oh, I know. I told you I thought about throwing a ratchet strap around it.
Woo, probably should.
I know.
Oh, wow. Blowthrough. Nice. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Yeah. Micah, I've got 4 CD515s on 2 Salt 6Ks at 1 ohm each.
By the way, you have amps.
Yeah, I know. And then I got 100 amp hour lithium, 70 amp hour lithium, and 1 370 neckman alt.
Okay. Nice. Did you build the blowthrough? Put it in here? It looks really good, man.
Thomas Turuli designed it, and then I built it.
Okay. Very nice.
I can play like 12 hertz up to in the 60s.
Sweet. Did you ever get it metered? Find out your peak and where it was?
I know it's not going to do good on the meter because it likes the lows a lot, so I just haven't bothered.
Okay. That's low frequency, but
Oh yeah.
yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
19 and 25.
Okay.
This is DJ Rusticals.
Man, you're definitely built for the lows.
Oh yeah. I told them I wanted it to float shirts and stuff. That's
Yes, sir.
all I wanted. So.
Well, you did great.
Huh?
You did great.
What's in there?
4 CD515s on 2 Salt 6s.
You said how many 15s?
4. I can give you 15 hertz real quick if you want those.
Sure, yeah, man.
They get moving a lot. I gotta put that window up.
Yeah, window up.
Watch out,
We have to
buddy.
put this one up.
Sit back and relax. Relax. You are about to get rustified. Bullets fly.
Dude, your door is breaking. Your mirror broke.
That's crazy, dude.
Jeez, man. I appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Micah.
Micah. Thank you, man. Really impressive low frequency flow through. Yeah, you were tuned really high wall, flat wall. And now you got like a low end monster. Yeah, man. Hey, have a good day. Thank you very much. Ooh, you broke it. Oh, man. They said problems. Yeah, man. Woo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.